Papa. They finished making sweets as per product owner list. Still, why are people coming to see and taste them?
Because finishing work is not enough. Showing it is just as important.
Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. So just imagine our sweet shop, guys. Sweets are ready. Some are being tasted by the customers. Some are being sold. People are purchasing. People are reacting to it. What it is telling. So this activity is actually telling the shop one thing. Is the work done is actually helpful? In Scrum, this moment is called a sprint review. It happens at the end of the sprint. And the goal is very simple, to show what we have done, to get the feedback from customers, and to learn what should be done next. A sprint review is not about a presentation to impress. It is not about a performance review session. It is not also about a blame game session. It is about the conversation of what is the real work completed. Coming back to our sweet shop example, this is like letting customers taste sweets and say, oh, this is too sweet, this one is perfect, I would like this again. That feedback really helps decide what to make next. So without a sprint review, team keep guessing what a customer wants. Problems are discovered at a very later stage and all the improvements get slowed down. So sprint review keeps work connected to the reality. So remember this, guys. Sprint review is all about showing what we have done, getting a constructive feedback and learning from that feedback. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to my channel and put a comment on what do you want to learn next.
So showing the work helps make better choice next time?
Exactly.
Thank you, Papa.